Hey folks, I'm here at BISH'S RV. This is Mary. I'd like to show you a Winnebago Era. This is a 70B Mercedes, beautiful unit. Look at the outside of this. Great step up as you come into the unit. Look how this screen pulls across right here, all the way. It kind of bends over, so you've got a lot of coverage there and keeps the bugs out. Okay, so as you come inside, beautiful leather seats in front. Then you've got a nice little seat right here. This could be for a kid. This could be for two kids, or you could put your pet here if you wanted to have your pet close by. And then let's look back here. You do have a TV that swivels around. Look at this counter space. For a B van, this is a lot of space. You've got your range here. You have a sink that folds down nicely and tucks away. Lots of cabinet space, but do you see how nice that they put this? It's really, sleek as it goes around here. Then your freezer is at the bottom. Your fridge is at the top. You have a microwave here. So in the bathroom, you have actually a little bit more space than most B vans. You've got a nice bamboo, whatever that's called. What's it called?
Floor.
Okay, you've got a nice bamboo floor there, stainless steel sink. And you do have a hanging rod here, so this could actually, double as a closet when you're not using it. It's beautiful. This is your display panel, and then you do have your control panel here for the solar up top. So here I wanted to show you in the bedroom here how many cabinet spaces we have up here. So all surrounding cabinets, so you have a lot of room to put your gear. Now this is the bed, and this will move into this position here, or you can keep it as two twin beds. So you've got a lot of space here. It's really nice. You do have a TV, nice ventilation for these windows right here. So it's a great unit. So if you have any questions about this unit, please give me a call. My number is 406-850-4590. Again, my name is Mary. I'd love to help you. Thanks.